Can we mention back close friend stories in Instagram? Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will see if we can mention back close friend stories in Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up Instagram, and if you open up the story here, as you can see, I have been mentioned here on this close friend story. So if you are trying to mention back this close friend story where you have been mentioned, if you tap on three dot icon at the top right, you will not have that option. So Instagram does not provide you that feature to mention back close friend stories in your Instagram. But alternatively, what you can do is you can take a screenshot of this story. So take a screenshot, and once you make a screenshot, now you could close this story, head over to your home page, tap on your add story at the top left. Now you could add this story in your account. So that's the only way to mention back close friend story in Instagram, by adding it in your own story after you screenshot it. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.